Hello guys, welcome to the next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we are exploring NLP for beginners, and up till now we have successfully completed tokenization, stemming and lemmatization. Now let's continue this journey of exploration. For that, let's go to the collab notebook that we have created for this course. So this is a collab notebook as you can see, and we have successfully completed tokenization, which means simply splitting the word based on the spaces and on punctuation marks. After that, we saw another concept which is called as stemming. So stemming is basically converting the word into its root form, but stemming fails in a specific type of word which are like quickly. So they converted the word quickly to quick and inline. So this word is not available in English dictionary, and that's why the stemming fails in some of the cases. And lemmatization was introduced to bring a solution to the problems faced by stemming. In lemmatization, the word is converted to its root form, and also it is ensured that the word is present in English dictionary. So the output of lemmatization for same word was running was kept as running, plays was converted to play, universally was kept the same as it is available in English dictionary, and quickly was also kept same and not converted to quick and align because quickly is also available in English dictionary. After that, let's explore the today's concept, which is parts of speech. So this parts of speech tagging is similar to the parts of speech available in English language, which are verbs, noun, pronouns, and so on. In this video, we will be exploring how we can find or separate sentence based on parts of speech using NLTK package, which we are currently using for performing NLP operations. So to explore this concept, let's make few input first. So the inputs are as follows. As you can see, I have made few inputs for exploration of this concept. So the inputs are input NLTK, which is common input, and the next input is NLPK.tokenize input word tokenization. So actually it's word tokenize that we have already seen in concept of tokenization, which is this. So we will be using the same here, and after that the new input is from NLTK.tag input POS tag. So this POS tag is used to identify parts of speech available in the word. So the concept or the flow is very well the same. Firstly, we will divide the sentence based on words. Then we will pass each word to this PO tag method. And after that, we will identify or separate the words based on their parts of speech. So let's run this cell. So as you can see, the cell has run successfully. After that, let's type a sentence. To test all parts of speech in one sentence, I have found a sentence by simply searching on Google, which is this sentence which contains all parts of speech. And the results are in front of him, which is wow, his monkeys really jump so high. So let's simply copy this sentence and simply paste it out collab. So I will simply type here text equal to, and this is a text. Now let's run this cell. After that, now let's simply divide the sentence into tokens. So I will simply type here tokens equal to, and the method is word token. So I will simply type the word underscore token. After that, let's pass the sentence, please text. And after performing tokenization, I will directly print the token. So I'll type here tokens. Let's run this cell to see the output. So it is asking me to download nlp.pu and kt, which is punctuation tokenizer. So I'll simply create a new cell above this, and I will simply paste here that command, which is nltk.download pu and kt. Let's run this cell. Oh, it is running. Now let's run the cell once again. So this is output. Wow, this is punctuation mark. His monkeys really jump so high. So this is conversion of tokens. Now let's move to the today's video, which is past of speech tagging. So I will simply write here. And after that, here's screen output. So let's run this cell and let's wait for a few seconds. And it is asking me to download another downloads of an NLTK. So let's download that also. So I will simply create a new cell, paste it and run this cell. Actually, I am intentionally downloading all the requirements in front of you guys so that you will never face errors after watching this video. So let's run this next cell. So this is the answer, which is wow NNP. So what is this NNP? So this is punctuation mark, his is PRP, monkeys is NNS, So what are these RV, VP, RVGation? So to find the full form of this, I recently viewed a website which is GFG website, and there I found the information of all this. So CC means coordinating conjunction, CD means cardinal digit, DT means determiner, EX means existence there, and so on. But the words are present in this output are NNP. So what is this NNP? So NNP stands for proper noun singular. And PRPS. So what is this PRPS? So PRPS stands for possessive pronoun my, his, hers. So which is identified correctly. Monkeys is NNS. So NNS stands for noun plural, which is correct. And you can verify the remaining words also. And this is a JMG documentation. Now the actual documentation of this parts of speech is available here, which is nltk.org. This is a standard documentation, and I suggest you to read this documentation to understand the internal working of these parts of speech tagging, which is coded in this POS tag method. So for you all guys, I'll simply copy paste the link and paste it in the notebook itself so that you all will get access to it. So I will simply write here text and this type here IMP rules. After that, let's paste some link which is this, and I also paste this link for easy understanding purpose, which is beneficial for you already. So let's run this here. So these are the important links that you must visit after running this code. So in this video, we have successfully learned what is part of speech tagging and how we can implement them using an NLP library. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or any doubts while running this code or anything related to this playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Also, the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.